Understanding the dough scraper, essential kitchen tool. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a common but often overlooked kitchen tool, the dough scraper. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or just starting out, understanding this tool can make your kitchen adventures much easier. Let's dive in. A dough scraper, also known as a bench scraper, is a small, flat, rectangular tool often made of metal or plastic with a straight edge. It is primarily used in baking. The key function of a dough scraper is to maneuver, cut, and portion dough on a work surface, like a kitchen counter or table. 1. Cutting and dividing dough. It can cleanly cut through dough, making it perfect for portioning. 2. Scraping work surfaces. After kneading or rolling dough, a dough scraper can clean off stuck bits, keeping your surface tidy. 3. Transferring dough. You can use it to lift and move dough from one place to another without deforming it. 4. Shaping dough. It helps in shaping dough into desired forms, especially for bread and pastry making. There are mainly two types. 1. Metal dough scrapers. These have a firmer edge, ideal for cutting and chopping. 2. Plastic dough scrapers. These are more flexible and are great for scraping and shaping softer doughs. Proper grip. Hold it comfortably, ensuring your hand is not too high or too low on the handle. Maintenance. Keep it clean and dry to prevent rusting, for metal scrapers, or degradation, for plastic ones. Safety first. Always be mindful of the sharp edges, especially when cleaning or storing. I hope this video has been informative and helps you make the most out of your dough scraper in your baking endeavors. Happy baking, and don't forget to practice using this versatile tool to enhance your kitchen skills. See you in the next video.